Guys, my name is Spitty, and today we are playing Roblox, and basically what we were playing is a Nerf War FPS game. It's a pretty good game. We played it for a little bit before we started this recording. It's pretty easy, but, I mean, sometimes it's hard. But, do you have anything to say?
Well, anyways, it's official WG, or Max Wolf Gamer, or Wolf Gamer WGO, whatever you want to call me. Anyways, we are playing whatever he said we were playing, and, yeah, so we're on each other's favorite color teams, but, like, we're not on our favorite color team. It's just each other's.
Alright, let's do this.
I'm on the orange team. I'm on blue.
I killed someone.
Fudging.
I killed someone in the head.
Fudging niblets. I killed him, though. He's, like, way over there.
We'll just die. I gotta help this orange team. Ah!
Fudge you. Come out. Come at me, bro. Come at me. No! He did come at me, and I died.
I just watched you die.
No, because, my gun wasn't loaded, and I was trying to load my gun.
Kitty, I'm gonna kick your butt. My cat's annoying me. It's like kicking my chair.
Disco shattered.
Load.
John
316.
316.
I want to find you somewhere.
You will never find me. Oh, fudge you too. Ah! You will never get me. I'm free. Kill him, guest. Dumb guest. Fudge. I'm surrounded by. Oh!
I just watched you die again.
I'm surrounded by blue people.
There's a lot of. I think. Look at how much blue's winning by.
Dude, I haven't shot anybody.
I've gotten like 3 kills.
This reminds me of Gary's mod.
Ah!
Fudge, I can't even see where my bullets are.
Ah.
Fudge, what the?
Got ya.
Because I can't see where my bullets are. Every time I click deploy, it shows a turkey roasting.
Turkey. I love P's and Q's. I love P's and Q's.
I'm on the blue team, yay! Dude, I'm on the blue team.
I'm on
Dude,
blue.
You're on my team.
I just got first kill.
Nice. I see you over there.
I'm gonna kick my.
Hey! I'm on your team.
Run!
Why are we running?
Killing people. Got him. Yeah, let's go this. Let's go. Where'd you go? Oh, I see you. I'm coming.
Oh, and guys, I'm not, like, talking a lot because...
You're probably sooner or later gonna quit YouTube because you won't record much.
I don't quit YouTube.
You won't play your PC much is what I'm saying. You probably will vlog, but I mean... I'm gonna get in the tree! Oh, I missed.
The reason why I've not been talking, guys, is because I just got over a cold.
You're concentrating?
Yeah, I just got over a cold. I was, like, coughing forever, and I'm still coughing.
My headset's broken. Like, I can only hear from my left side, like, my headset. It's, like, really annoying.
I will be uploading videos, guys.
It hurts my ear so bad. Like,
I'll be uploading videos, guys, every Saturday or Sunday. So just check around every Saturday or Sunday. And today's Saturday, so that's when I am making this video. Hello down there. I see you.
No, you don't see me.
You're not John Cena, dude.
No, you don't see me.
Now, you can't see me. You can't see me. My time.
Kill the guy.
Nice.
Oh, I missed. It's weird how you get a kill and you get money for it.
It's just like, what if that happened in real life?
Orange, come kill me. I want Orange team to win.
Why?
Just my team. Just my, like,
Oh, I.
no.
Wow. I was about to kill him and then I jumped. Fudge. Hey, I can see my bullet now. No, someone killed me. The orange. That's very
I died.
acceptable.
Alright. Oh, jeez. Alright, I think it's a good place to end off, I think, because
Yeah.
my video's about to end. Alright, guys. If you guys did enjoy, make sure to leave a like, comment, and subscribe, and I will see you guys in the next video.
Yep.
Bye.
Peace out.